Hello friends, here I'm with a new video of unboxing my newly purchased Timex watch. I was looking for a good trendy simple watch for lower price. After going through many watches I found this watch interesting and worth trying. I am going to show you now in this video.
Let's go!
Having been around in the market for nearly 2 decades, this watch from Timex Expedition is one of the coolest modern watches to have stood strong against the test of time. One of the most basic models released by Timex, one of the largest sold model of Timex, has got a sporty look. Priced a little high at 2,350 hours, but I got this from Flipkart for only 1,450 rupees on Big Billion Day sale. It is available in 6 variant color combination. You can see them at the end of the video. Excellent features, nominal pricing, 2 alarms, 2 digital times and Indiglo lights, which will make it easier to know time under heavy sunlight. The backlight display is pretty good. The backlight display is blue in color. The alarm sound is not loud enough to make a person wake from sleep, but T is audible. MF13 has good beeps for every hour. Made of leather, this watch is a trendy combination of a digital as well as an analog watch. Its water resistance feature is of 15 meters, and that's something which is pretty decent for a sports watch. Also, it is unisex, so anybody regardless of the gender can wear it. Weighing just 32 grams a piece, it is extremely light in weight, considering its features. In the second place, it has features like alarm, start, stop, timer, light, and date as well. Date display in digital clock, compass dial, both digital and analog display. The dial looks great in brown color. Available in leather strap.
Turn it up. Let's go.
found some of the users saying composite tile will lose its paint very easily. Leather strap not of great quality. Black spots appears on the brown leather strap within 6 to 8 months. Timex provides one of the best digital features among the various watch brands in India. They could have improved the quality of the strap. Let me use this for a while and see how it is.
Turn it up. Let's go. Let's go.
That's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.